Today I will reveal to you one of the simplest and most effective ways to get rid of mosquitoes using ingredients that many of you already have at home. This method has been used for hundreds of years and costs almost nothing. You may be wondering, why not just buy a commercial repellent? There are more than enough reasons. Commercial sprays and lotions are often full of chemicals that we inhale while we sleep, and frequent application on the skin can cause irritation or allergic reactions. Moreover, they are not cheap at all, and their effectiveness sometimes lasts only a few hours. Before I reveal my favorite natural repellent recipe that I apply directly to the skin, I want to show you another trick I use for the yard and terrace, which requires only one free ingredient. If you drink coffee, never throw away the grounds. Instead, dry them in the sun or in the oven. Spread them on a plate or an old metal container and then light them. The coffee ground smolders slowly, releasing thick aromatic smoke that mosquitoes simply cannot tolerate. If they are not completely dry, they will not burn properly. I use this method when sitting outside in the evening, and coffee shops can give you the grounds for free because they throw them away anyway. Now I will show you the recipe I use on the skin. In 300 milliliters of hot water, first add 1 tablespoon of lavender, which not only repels mosquitoes but also moths, ants, cockroaches, and many other insects that dislike its scent. Additionally, lavender has a calming effect and helps reduce stress. Its scent can improve sleep quality and make falling asleep easier. Then add half a tablespoon of mint, which further enhances the effect because its fresh aroma and natural essential oils repel most flying insects. Finally, add a couple of tablespoons of vinegar because it disinfects the skin, helps stabilize the scent, and prolongs the protective effect on the skin. Once the liquid cools, strain it and pour into a spray bottle. Spray it on the skin or surfaces where you notice mosquitoes. This recipe is natural, fragrant, and safe for everyday use, and you will notice the results from the very first application. Share this video with your friends so we can help them too. Thank you and best regards.